At InterveneMD, we're always looking for the smartest, most natural ways to help your body heal itself. We're not about covering up symptoms. We're about turning healing on. That's why I'm excited to tell you about something we've added to our toolkit, the M7 MLS Laser. This isn't just another piece of equipment. It uses laser light, two specific wavelengths working together to help reduce pain, calm inflammation, and speed up how your tissues heal. I tried it myself first. If it didn't make a difference for me, I would not be bringing it to you. But it did, and I believe it can help you too. We use it for all kinds of things: arthritis, rotator cuff injuries, tendonitis, plantar fasciitis, tennis elbow, bursitis, joint degeneration. It also helps with sprains, post-op swelling, nerve pain, you name it. It gets deep into the tissue, gets blood moving, boosts energy at the cellular level, and helps your body recover faster than it would on its own. Now, this laser works great as a standalone treatment, but what really sets us apart is how we layer it into our bigger regenerative programs. Things like prolotherapy, PRP, ozone, and shockwave. When we combine them, it's like pulling multiple levers for healing instead of just one. Look, maybe someone's told you surgery is your only option, or that you just gotta live with the pain. I don't buy that. You're not broken, you just need the right support. So if you're ready to feel better and move better, let's talk. The M7 laser is here, and we're ready to help you heal naturally.